Easy summer travel outfits, because I know a lot of y'all are doing like last minute travels or whether they are staycations, and you can also run your errands in these looks as well. Hey cousins, welcome back to the channel. Hey y'all, what's up y'all? So in this video we are going to be talking about easy travel outfits for all of my cousins who are traveling last minute, or you're doing a staycation in your current city. And you can also even run your errands in these looks that I'm going to show you today, honey. And maybe even a look casual date night or something. So to all my cousins who are new here on the channel, honey, I am Shauna T. And over here on this channel, baby, we talk about all things plus size fashion, Jesus, everything in between, honey, and living your best life 40 and over, honey, because I'm a newly 40-year-old, okay? I feel good saying it. So do me a couple, 2, 3 things, honey. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and make sure that you comment in the comment section down below. Because what, baby, I will talk back. So y'all, I have my phone, honey, because it's got my notes off in them so that I do not leave anything out. So to all my cousins, of course, who are new here on the channel, my height is 5'5". I also typically wear 22, 24 in anything that you see me wearing. And to all my cousins who are like me, and you are a Bigfoot baddie, I wear a size 12 in shoes. Sometimes I have to go up to a 13, just depending on who makes them. Okay, I just thought I'd let y'all know that. Our first look is going to be this zebra print dress that I picked up from Amazon. Now, y'all, I have this dress in a size 3X, baby, because I needed to hug me in all of the right places, all right? Now, I do have on my strapless bra that I always talk about here on the channel, and I also have on my hard compression shapewear because this is a bodycon fitting dress, and I wanted it to fit that way, because y'all got to learn how to be a little fast every now and then, honey. You got to learn how to show a little, just a little something. You ain't got to show them everything, but just a little something, okay? But also, cousins, I chose this dress for us because prints help camouflage some of our imperfections that we don't like to show a lot. So for me, and if you're like me, cousin, my midsection, even though I have on my hard compression shapewear, as you can see, this zebra print dress just goes in and cover up all of the things. The second thing that I really love about this dress is, and I think y'all will love it too, is that even though it is strapless, it comes up, you know, high enough in the back. And I really like that. I really like that as well, because I do have on my strapless bra, and so the strapless bra that I have is not the back smoothing one that I told you guys about in the other video. So honey, this dress you definitely want to wear. And I guess you probably like, girl, who is wearing this on a plane? Now, I chose this look because maybe let's say you're going to Jamaica or some type of resort, honey. You want to get off the plane and you want to arrive like you belong there, honey. You want to arrive like, hey, it is vacation time. Now you can definitely go in and pair this look with some sneakers, either plain black sneakers or either black and white sneakers as well, which will help give this a really dressed down casual look. Now, as y'all can see in the video, I paired this with my big poodle bag, as y'all hear me call it, that came from Amazon. And of course you can carry this bag on the plane if you so desire as one of your carry-on items. Now, the only thing that you probably won't wear a lot of, and that is the jewelry. As you guys see, I got on big chunky bracelets. I have on well, earrings, and then also necklace, right? Because you know when you get to the airport, they have you really strip out of all of that stuff. So that right there piece is optional for you. But if you're going to go and run errands in this look, or go on a brunch date or a day date, then yes, the jewelry will definitely go in and accessorize this for you. Now, I will tell you guys that with this zebra print dress, they do have other colors like blue and yellow, even a plain black as well, for all of my cousins who are like, girl, I do not play with prints like that. But what I will advise you, honey, play with it. You just might like it. Now let's get into look number 2, which is a gray dress that I picked up from Pretty Little Things. Now, I did get this dress, y'all, in a size 26. With coming from Pretty Little Things, that as you guys can see, it is still a form-fitting dress, even though I did go in and order up in this dress. And I purposely did that because as I was looking at the model on Pretty Little Things, I was like, I better not get my normal size in this one. I better go up. And I'm glad that I did because the dress fitted me perfectly. Now I went in and paired this with my purple Reebok sneakers, just to give it a pop of color because you know gray is a neutral. Now of course my jewelry is just silver that I have on with this, and also of course honey, the braids, if y'all ain't noticed, right? So of course braids pair well when you are going on vacation or either just an easy hairstyle for those of my cousins who like to go and get their hair braided. Now I pulled out my Glamaholic Lifestyle oversized bag, honey. If you know nothing else, baby, I love me some Mia Ray. So y'all make sure that y'all go and check her out over at Glamaholic Lifestyle. She has an array of different bags and also travel kits that she carries as well. And then she also has some merch like hats and t-shirts and things. But I felt like this bag actually went perfect with this look, y'all. So definitely something that you can easily wear on the plane, and even if you're not as comfortable with having your arms out, guess what, go in and throw on a denim jacket on top of it, honey, and there you go, problem solved. And here is look number 3. So y'all, I'm gonna pause right here because when it comes to look on number 3, I actually had saw the leopard printed shorts on Amazon, but I was like, we is not paying $60 for some shorts right now, okay? So what I did, y'all, and I'm going to show y'all, I went to my local City Trends. If you have a City Trends in your area, then I am showing you the tag, who these shorts are made by, and also that I only paid $6.99 for these shorts versus almost $60, right, or whatever, for the leopard shorts. Now, of course, if you don't have a City Trends in your area, then of course there will be other options linked for you. But I feel like these shorts were perfect for travel. One, y'all, these shorts are stretchy and they're also comfortable. They definitely come with a drawstring that you can tighten with these shorts. Now I chose a white tank top because of the white stripe on the side of the shorts, right? Really super cute. If you say, you know what, I'm really not that good with white, you can definitely get you a tan or a brown, or even go in and pair this with a black tank of your choice. And the tank that I have on, y'all, it is from Walmart. I want to say it is Terra and Sky who made this particular tank top that I have on, but it'll definitely be linked down in the description box below when you get ready to go and shop the closet. Now, y'all, these glasses that I picked up, these are new to my addition. These are from Amazon. These are super cute. They actually have packs of these. They come in packs of 2s and also in packs of 3s, if my memory serves me right, when it comes to these sunglasses. So definitely go and try you out some if you are a sunny type of girl. Now, of course, my accessories, I just went in and accessorized it with gold accessories because I always feel like leopard just goes really good when you are wearing leopard print. For some reason, that's just me in my mind. And then, of course, I went in and put on my burgundy and white Nike Dunk sneakers. Let's get into this fourth look, a jumpsuit. I mean, who does not love a good jumpsuit to travel in? Number one, it's easy, and number two, all you have to do is go in and add some cute accessories to this jumpsuit. Now, of course, this jumpsuit, y'all, I did go in and pick this up from Ashley Stewart's, okay? And I chose the denim one because it's easy to go in and accessorize. Now, I've linked some other ones for you guys down below when it comes to jumpsuits, because this particular jumpsuit is not available anymore on Ashley's, okay? But it doesn't matter what type of jumpsuit that you wear. You can choose the halter jumpsuit like I have on, or if you feel more comfortable with wearing like a jumpsuit that has straps on it and maybe putting on like some type of t-shirt under it. But I feel like jumpsuits are just super easy. Now, I went in and paired this with my lavender crossbody bag that I picked up from Amazon, and also my lavender sneakers that I picked up as well. Well, I didn't pick up the sneakers from Amazon because these are my Nike Dunks. If y'all don't know by now, honey, I am a low top dunk girl, right? And then just paired it with silver accessories. Now, depending on what type of shoes or crossbody bag that you carry, you can definitely go in and add gold accessories. If I had looked at the bag, I probably would have paired gold, because if you notice on the bag it does have gold off in it, like the zipper, and then on the strap as well. But you know, it's okay, child. Y'all understand. Y'all understand, honey, what it is. But yes, you can definitely go in and pair this with other accessories as well. And now this look here is for my cousins. It's like, girl, keep me simple. Girl, just give me some black to put on, okay? So black, I feel like, will always be a part of airport wear, and also when you are out running errands, all right? So as you guys can see, I'm actually just showing you the leggings that I have on, and also the tank. Now these leggings are from Amazon. These are a high waist compression legging. They're not like super tight, but you know, just enough to hold your stomach in where you don't have to put on shapewear, okay? And I love these leggings. I actually have several pairs of them. So with these black leggings, and then of course the tank is actually from Walmart. So with this look itself, just paired with silver jewelry, and then I put on my black and white Nike Dunks with a little blue teal off in it to give it a pop of color. Now, just depending on how you want to rock it when you're going to the airport, you can definitely just wear this look alone as you would like to, with or without the jewelry. And then I went in and showed you how you can get the big puffy bag, or poodle bag as I like to call it, and rock it with this look. Now let's just say maybe even you're going on a day date with the girls or with your boo. You can definitely rock this too, because it's so comfortable. And as you guys see, I don't have on any shapewear with this particular look. Now if you say, well, you know what, I don't want to do the big poodle bag, I went in and paired this with my Glamaholic bag as well, just to go in with the accessories, honey. With the accessories to show you how you can do an all silver look for all my cousins who wanted to go in and switch it up just a little bit, okay? And then let me show you the last way that you can go in and rock this. Honey, just put on a denim jacket. Now this particular denim jacket, y'all, is an oversized jacket that I picked up from Fashion Nova, and it actually came from the men's section. Now y'all ain't gonna even play with y'all. When I ordered this, I was like, oh Lord, I really hope that I can wear this jacket and it's going to play out in my mind as I seen it online, right? So if y'all have never ordered from Fashion Nova, sometimes the sizing can be a little, ooh, baby. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I chose to go in and order it from the men's section. Now I did go in and get a 3X in this jacket, and guess what? It fits perfectly. There is enough room in the arms, honey. So if you have auntie arms like I do, there's no tightness on it, because that's just really like an uncomfortable feeling to walk around with a tight shirt or a tight jacket on your arms. So this jacket actually falls perfect, just how I desired it to be. And then of course, as far as accessorizing comes, you can go and accessorize this jacket however you desire. And even for my cousins who say, you know what, I don't want to do maybe an all black look, grab your piece of loungewear, right? If you have a two-piece loungewear that's pink or green, for all of my cousins who love color, go in and throw you on some loungewear with this jacket and accessorize it as well. So that's just another way that you can go in and play with your airport wear, as all my cousins who may be late traveling, or either you just going in and running errands, okay? But I definitely want y'all to let me know which one of these is your favorite look, and also if you were traveling somewhere, would you wear either one of these looks? So definitely talk to me in the comments about these easy, I call these easy travel wear looks, because you don't have to put a lot of thought off into them. If you want to accessorize, honey, and go on out the door. Go on about your business, huh? Go on about your business when it comes to traveling, because y'all already know, honey, we be doing stuff last minute anyway, so we need life to be as easy as possible. So, honey, you can definitely go in and shop the closet. You can either scan the QR code right here on the screen if you are watching from your TV or maybe your computer, honey, and you can shop these looks, or either everything will be linked down in the description box below, honey, for y'all to go in and shop. And talk to me in the comment sections. I'm very curious as to what you guys think, and also how you guys feel about these looks, cousins. Oh, honey, I am so excited to be back on YouTube, y'all. I really am. But yes, so cousins, do me one more thing, okay? I need one more favor for y'all. please go in and sign up for the email list. I call it the cousin crew. So the cousin crew is just simply the email and also the text list, and that is just for me to be able to communicate with you guys outside of YouTube. I'm going to pop her comment up because she actually reminded me of this, and I have not done one of these in a long time when she made this comment. So I do cousin meetups here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. And so if any of my cousins who are here, or either any of my cousins who want to travel in, but I am seriously going in and planning another cousin meetup so that we can meet outside of social media and just continue to grow our community. So thank you to the cousin. She come in and she's like, I'm here in a DFW if you ever want to open up your friend circle again. And so I commented back to her and I was like, girl, I used to do cousin meetups and I haven't done them in quite some time. So when she said that, I was like, you know what, it's time for another cousin meetup, because I definitely love meeting my cousins in person, because I know you guys always see me on the camera, or I'm either always chatting with you down in the comments. So that is the main thing, reason number one, that I really want you guys to go in and sign up to get on a text and email list. And then of course as well, I'll send you guys like fashion updates when things go on clearance, go on sale, all that good jazz, right? Because we either always got our phones in our hands and you can glance at your email chat. Some of y'all be at work shopping anyway. You be at work shopping or whatever, and just really just to stay connected with y'all. And I also send you like just motivational things as well. So if that floats your boat, if you're cool with that, please go and sign up to get on the cousin crew email and also text list, cousins. Now, honey, listen, I appreciate y'all. I appreciate y'all. And cousins, as I tell you all the time, baby, make sure that you walk in every room boldly and confidently, honey. And make sure that you own it. Why? Baby, because you belong there. Now, honey, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye, cousins.